What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add an Ajax Taxonomy search filter into your WordPress website for free. So a filter that works like this one, for example, with the search box and other boxes to filter by category, by tag, by format, or any other taxonomy that you would like to apply, okay? So before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, because we bring daily videos about WordPress, SEO, plugins, optimizations, and many more topics, not just internet and sites favors. So let's get this started. First of all, move to our WordPress dashboard, review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin, okay? Just like this. Into the upper right corner of our screen, next to the keyword, we're gonna search for plugins and type search and filter, just like this. And here is the guide that we're looking for by code AMP. Click on install. After this, click into the activate, and you're gonna be redirected to this plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. Here is the plugin, and as soon as you activate this, you're gonna be able to see next to settings a new button on the left sidebar of menus. Call it search and filter. Click on it. Right here, you can read the plugin documentation, and you can see a little part on how to use. To display search and filter, all you need to do is use a shortcode. This is the shortcode that you're gonna need to use. However, there is some variations, some arguments, okay? And how to use this? You can combine ones, for example, okay? By name, submit, search, value, category, post tag, post format, product card, product tag. And here are some examples, okay, on what you can do. If you keep scrolling down, they're gonna give you more ideas. Search and filters uses standard inputs and selects form elements. And combine to style this is easy. Please use the CSS file. Let me click on it to show you. Here is the CSS file. You can copy this and edit the CSS to style up your form in the case that you want, okay? Let me start showing you one example, okay? Here is the shortcode. Copy that. Move to some post of your site. My case is gonna be this one. I would like to apply this into one of my posts, but you can apply this in your pages, in your sidebars, in your folder, in any part of your site gonna be fixed, okay? So all we have to do is place the shortcode. So in my case, click right here, click into the plus button to add a new block, search for shortcode, and place the plugin code. Simple as it is. Now update the post, and let's review the results we got. Here is the search working for categories and tags. As told you, we can apply using the separator, okay, the comma as separator. For example, apply product tags, apply other custom post type names, okay, any taxonomy that you want. And you can even apply headings, for example. Let me show you. I'm gonna apply another search field. So click into the shortcode, and here is another example. Let me apply some zoom. You can pause the video to copy the code, okay? I just have added the headings equal categories and tags, okay? So this is gonna be the headings. Let me update so I can show you the difference. And here is the difference. We have headings now, okay? Of course, you can apply other parts. This is a very basic CSS. You can customize in the way that you want to fit on your website needs. But the hardest part, that is the searching working, it's already made for you. with Ajax, and you can select, or you can use other search styles in the case that you need. Okay, there is a couple of options, and all can be customized using CSS. But if you want to learn this, let me know into the comments so I can help you with it. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out our borderless plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, Gutenberg, or WP Bakery, or Anzu WordPress theme, the best free WordPress theme that you can install to customize your site in the way that you want. Or Growth with GWs.net, a place where we can submit your blog for receiving and publishing guest posts. Or Sites.gallery, that is a place where we can promote your site, mobile design, app layout, game, or anything that you want, you can be promoted right here. And in the case that you want to go premium while you're doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visual Modo Pass, and unlock full access to your entire templates library with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition to premium blocks, assets, templates, tools, plugins, and many more features to create the site of our dreams. And that is, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!